Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon and good evening to you wherever you are watching this program from. Thank you for subscribing, and for those who have not subscribed, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell to stay tuned whenever I post a new video. The coast is now very clear that the people of Biafra rejects everything called open grazing, public grazing, open grazing law, or however it is put, regardless of who is behind it, in concomitant with the fact that the Nigerian law of 1969 maintained the status quo. So, volunteers and good people in the communities of Biafra, as you can see in the video you are about to watch, in Nnewi specifically here, people printed banner with a lot of inscriptions on it, trying to sensitize the community and the people and those who are not aware of this law. Also, they want to bring it to the notice of the world and to those who don't have idea of what it means, that it is wrong to graze cows in our communities, which means by the time ESN starts to implement this law, nobody should see it as that ESN is going against maybe the oppression of Fulani herdsmen, because it is illegal and people must know this. I thank Ohamadike for waking the spirit of Biafrans, because Biafrans are very much awake this time around. Watch the video yourself.
Yes, as you can see, this is Nnewi roundabout. Our people are supporting the anti-grazing law, which is in Nigeria Constitution since 1969. Nnewi people are in support of anti-grazing law, which is ordered to the from Ohamadike, one of Biafra, which is Nnamdi Kanu, the people all over Biafra land. You can see our people are doing it right. As you can see, they are light and direct.